Hello friends, my name is SuNN and I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Mostly I demonstrate online, but 3 times a year I host a one-day in-person event at a local venue here in Kelowna, BC. I call it Crafting at the Lake House, and this series has become a fan favorite here on YouTube. Now I've been asked to sell the written tutorial of all 14 projects, so there is a PayPal link in the description box below. PayPal will direct you to a download site after payment where you can download the tutorials immediately. One more special mention, I have a limited number of event bags left over. If you'd like to be a part of this exclusive crafting event and have a special bag, please use the link below to fill out the form to get one. And if there is no link, I've been sold out. Anyway, there are 14 projects to share with you, so I better get started. Remember to like this video if you like it and subscribe to get notified when another video comes out. Hello friends, welcome back to Crafting at the Lake House. This is card number 8. I have a whole bunch of inks on my desk here. I have Memento Tuxedo Black ink, Fresh Freesia, Pear Pizzazz, and Daffodil Delight. I am featuring the Beautifully Happy Celebration Reward stamp set. You can't get it anymore, so hopefully if you are watching this video, this is giving you an idea of how to utilize it. So we're using our Memento Tuxedo Black ink on this piece of card stock, basic white card that has been cut with the deckled rectangle die. So I have 2 actually cut from the basic white. One goes on the inside of the card and one goes on the outside. And the Pear Pizzazz cardstock as well is cut by the deckled rectangle dies. So I have stamped the thank you sentiment with Memento Tuxedo Black ink, and here I am coming in with, I have a stamping mat. This used to be like a piercing mat they called, but we often use it for stamping on, so that we use these photopolymer stamps which are stuck just directly to the block. We have some cushion which will help stamp better. So this that one was to cover the leaves, and Pear Pizzazz again for some of the unbloomed blossoms here. And there is a piece of a stamp set that covers those. So they're the fill-in stamps. So one is an outline and the other is a fill-in. So hopefully you're picking up what I'm throwing down. This is Fresh Freesia, and I have inked up the stamp, and I've cut my head out of this, but I actually just look straight over top of my photopolymer stamp so that I can get a perfect impression. All right, and so now I'm just using my Seal Plus, my favorite adhesive. I'm trying hard to use less, not more. But you know, sometimes I want to like cover the whole thing, but the Seal Plus is a fantastic adhesive because it's very, very strong. So you only need a little bit and it lasts longer. So I've adhered that to the Pear Pizzazz, and now I'm putting down like a little strip of adhesive, and this little piece of ribbon is the Fresh Freesia open weave ribbon, and I've made a little M there, ribbon M, over top of the adhesive. So now I'm putting down my Seal Plus again, and I'm putting this was for the inside of the card. Again, those are die cut with the deckled rectangular dies. And now I've put my small little sentiment here. I cut it down to the exact size of that sentiment, the thank you, and I'm putting it directly over top of my emmed ribbon, and I'm going to adhere that to the front of the card. So I wanted to address the fact that I do have a detailed picture detail still pictures on my blog, so you can head there if you would like to get a little bit more pictures of my creations here, or you can, I've also got a list of supplies that I used in today's video in the description box below as well on my blog as well, and they're full-on pictures too, so you can see what you're doing. You can, if you want to pick up any of the supplies that I'm using here, save for the Beautifully Happy stamp set because you cannot get it anymore. So that is my card for today, kiddos. I'm just coloring in some of the floral bit with my Wink of Stella. I'm evening out that ink, and sometimes I just wipe it on my hands because that's what hands are made for. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.